Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Qwen 3.6 model, which is really insane for coding. If you directly type this on Google, the very first website which comes. So Qwen has released directly on 1st of April this model Qwen 3.6, which is really powerful for coding, programming, and it actually beats all the Claude Opus. Uh, we have GPT model. So in my personal opinion, this is the first number one model. So they also have different charts available. So now to try out this, you can directly try this for completely free. It doesn't charge you any subscription cost as compared to different other AI models. It's completely free and unlimited. Once you simply land on this, you see this chat prompt, and from here you select this Qwen 3.6 plus. So from here you simply type what sort of thing you want to generate. So I simply say build a. So you simply type the prompt and then it start generating the application for you. So you can see that now it starts generating the source code for you. So you can directly copy this code and download this code as well. So I think this is number one model for programming as of today. It's completely unlimited. You can try this. There is no limit. 100% free. And as opposed to Claude Code, Codex, Deepseek, this is a perfect model. It's developed by Alibaba, which is a Chinese-based company. They also have this feature in the sidebar section. If you see coder section, if you do this, they also have coder.qwen.ai. So you can connect your GitHub repo and directly type the prompt and directly modify or debug any code or write more applications on top of it. So this is their tool apart from this chatbot which is there. So I personally use it a lot to create applications. So you can just see the speed as well of generating the code. So I really love this. There is no limit as opposed to other AI providers. I am using for past 6 months. I haven't got any kind of subscription notice. It's totally free. And you can just see it, how much code is generated by this, almost 1,000 lines of code. Still it is generating. So with the help of this, you can create complex applications. So once it completes, you will get the notification once it completes. As you can see, still it is generating almost 1,000 lines of code. So I haven't seen any other Gemini or Claude generate that much of code in less than this model is really insane, 3.6 plus. So it's the latest, largest language model in the Qwen 3.6 series, supporting text and multimodal tasks. So now it comes to the JavaScript code here. You can see that. Apart from that, you can even generate images as well. So there is no, so they have different modes out there if you see. You can even generate videos, images as well. Simply type the prompt and you can do that as well. So specifically I need a complex app. So you can see how much lines of code it has generated, almost 1600. So I can bet you any other tool can't do this. This Qwen 3 is, so you can see it is generating almost 2000 lines of code. So now it is successfully completed. As you can see, it also generates a nice little description. You can copy this code or download this code in a file as well to actually see the results. So this is a professional looking application built entirely from scratch. So from here you select right here the images live preview will also be shown to you. You can sort this, add more. From here you can select the margin. So a complete working application as you can see. So definitely check out this model Qwen 3.6. It's completely free and unlimited.